Oh no, my people, me have someone want to say to you. You see, for 2024, on to practice this. You see, when people say, they're gonna think no, on enough is on have it here. See, me not talk to you. Come out of my business. On enough is on not have it. On enough is say, like, certain things. On have to practice if you try to do the opposite of the negative. Like, on stop say me broke. On stop say, me not have this, me not have that. Especially if you know no have a little bit. God I go provide for you. On find the opposite way of promoting it in our life. The positive. Don't use the word me broke. You hear me tell you? Don't use that word. Don't call down them something upon you, because me tell you this already and I tell you again. The power is in the tongue. And if you speak life into your body, it shall be given to you. If you ask God for anything, when you're genuine from your heart, He will grant it to you. I want everyone to read my book. I want everyone to know my journey. I want everyone to know where me I come from. Let me tell you this, point blank. Practice on yourself for 2024 and stop say certain things. Promise you no. You see, I was one of the person where used to say, Lord, me not have this, I me not have that. Please, you have life. And when you have life, you have hope. Once you believe in it. Believe, say it a go happen. Don't call down certain things by yourself. Because we don't know, so we get up every day. I use them word. I use them word. And the reason why I say that, I know somebody. And no matter how much they make a little chopans, they always say, them broken in a hobby. Lord Jesus, nothing no sell today. Lord Jesus, nothing no this today, nothing no that today, nothing no. When I not truth. So when you're constantly saying that, and it's like you don't grateful, it's like for the rest of your life, that is how your life is. Because from me know if you are pitting till now, you nah be grateful for the little much where you get. Oh, and God's heard your things that God go embrace you, empower you, to climb the ladder and be better. When me can tell you, say, me I come from one scandal bag of clothes to now me have to pull up a truck, it's because me grateful. And from nothing to something, and when you reach there, when you reach certain place, be grateful. Because if you wake up tomorrow and you are better than yesterday, you have to be grateful. And stop bring yourself back into yesterday. Try to elevate. So if somebody call me and say, me not gonna say, if somebody a beg your money, you're not gonna explain to them and say, boy, trust me, me would have love to give you. But you know, certain things, whatever, you gotta try to go around it by not, but don't say the word. Don't constantly repeating the word. You know what I mean? Find a different way of going around it and say. But when I realize, when you get up and speak negative every day upon boy, me know this, me know that, me know this, me know that. You just constantly now go away. It's like every day you're stagnant and you're in the same thing. Not just promise me, maybe I talk too much, but promise me say una go try to apply this to our life for 2024 by stop saying we don't have this and we don't have that, because we don't have life, and once we don't have life, we don't have hope, and God will give you grant you whatever we need. We just have to ask Him for it and be serious. Believe, saying we give it to you, and stay positive and stay focused for 2024. Big up on yourself. And if this if this video, if you don't believe in what I just said a while ago, don't be afraid to tell me. Blessings.